Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll in Zoom using the Poly app. Poly is a great tool that lets you create interactive polls and surveys right inside Zoom meetings. So, let's get started. First of all, open Zoom app and start a new meeting. Make sure you are the host because only the host can install and manage apps. Once the meeting starts, look at the bottom toolbar and click on Apps. This is where you can browse and install third-party apps like Poly. Now in the Apps tab, click on Discover and type Poly in the search bar. When you see the Poly app, and then select Add or Install. Follow the on-screen instruction to grant the necessary permissions. Once installed, Poly will be available in your Zoom apps. After installing Poly, open the app from the apps during the meeting, click on Create a Poly and enter your question. You can choose different types of polls such as multiple choice and others. Once you have added your options, click Send to launch the poll. Participants will see the poll and can start voting immediately. And that's it. Now you know how to create a poll in Zoom using Poly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.